Huwag munang aksyonan ang motion ni Marcoleta. Tinuna niya rin ang hatol ng korte.
I would. Laking constitutional issue. Wala man lang oral arguments or at the very least a consultation with some members of Congress or members of the bar na nakakaintindi ng rules ng Congress. Consigned to the archives on February 6, not February 5, as claimed in page 78 of the decision. Nag-housekeeping lang ang House, kaya in-archive, hindi to end the Congress. This archiving were not the results of the ending of the 19th Congress, but because of the fact that the fourth complaint were already filed and transmitted to the Senate. Eh dito pala, Mr. President, pilit na patunayan na barred ang fourth complaint. Kapag ayaw, may dahilan. Kapag gusto, may paraan. I move to table the motion to dismiss. A motion to table is a higher precedence than a motion to dismiss.
Tabling of the motion to dismiss, which is what I will second in a few minutes, Mr. President. A tabling of the motion to dismiss by the Senate today is not defiance of the Supreme Court. Wala pa nga po kasing final na desisyon. Kahit ang Korte Suprema po, iniintay pa ang comment ng VP.
In the answer of the Solicitor General on behalf of the House of Representatives, there was already a categorical admission that the three initial complaints prior to the fourth one were dismissed because they were all archived. As I have said, archiving is not part of the rules of impeachment of the House of Representatives, but they just did it. Palusot lamang po yun, Mr. Speaker.
Punto naman ni Senador Pancho Lacson, wala sa patakaran ng Senado ang motion to dismiss.
I've been diligently reading and reviewing the rules of the Senate since I've been out of this august chamber for 3 years. Nowhere in our rules can I find a provision on a motion to dismiss as submitted by the Honorable Gentleman from Tarlac. Neither is there a supplementary application of the rules of court to offer a space for such motion to dismiss, except perhaps in the committees performing their legislative inquiries in aid of legislation. Obviously, we are now assembled in plenary, not as an impeachment court, but as a legislative body, and I cannot relate to a motion in this plenary to an issue that involves a collective decision that falls solely and exclusively under the jurisdiction and authority of an impeachment court.
Nakwento din ni Senador Marcoleta na noong kumbisista siya hindi nga niya nakita yung impeachment complaint. Ayon naman kay Senate President Francis Escudero na archive ang mga nakaraang impeachment nila dating Pangulong Estrada at dating Ombudsman Mercedes Gutierrez.
This was actually done, although not via a motion to dismiss, but a motion to archive in relation to the impeachment complaints of then President Estrada and Ombudsman Gutierrez. In fact, in the case of Ombudsman Gutierrez, it was our distinguished minority floor leader himself, acting as majority leader, I believe, who moved that the case be archived, given the resignation of then Ombudsman Gutierrez. It is the position of the chair, subject to the wisdom of the plenary, Your Honor, that given the Supreme Court decision that the Senate never acquired jurisdiction over it, that the proceedings of the articles of impeachment were null and void ab initio. Indeed, there might not even be anything to dismiss, and the procedure would be more properly to archive, similar to what we have done in the past, so that these proceedings
Suhestyon naman ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano kung bukas si Marcoleta baguhin ang kanyang motion to dismiss at i-archive na lang ang impeachment. At yan nga ang punto ngayon kung saan tayo nandun ngayon. At yun nga ang pinag-uusapan nila doon ngayon sa plenaryo, kung ano yung magiging final wording or phrasing ng magiging motion. Balikan lang natin, merong dalawang motion na kapitin, yung motion